What's happening, Bimmerites? Beats here. I'm up here at New England Speed Factory. Today is a very exciting day. Been waiting a while for today. Let's see, how long have I had the car now? Almost 2 years. So yeah, waiting close to that. Today I get to see my new turbos. They came into the shop. They've been here. I have not looked at them. Jeff has opened one of the boxes and taken a peek at them and whatnot, but I have not. I have not seen them at all. I saw the boxes in the corner, but that's it. Haven't touched them myself. Haven't looked at a turbo, anything. So we're gonna head in there and open these puppies up and check them out. So excited to have these finally. This means serious business. So let's get down to it. It's Bimmer time. All right, El Jefe, you want to bring those babies out here? Let me put a towel on the back of my car so we don't scratch up my nice paint job. Yeah, I told him. Jeff already opened one, the bastard, but I haven't seen him.
One. And number two. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna get you an exact or a little razor blade.
So as you can see, that one there is open, but I have not even touched these boxes yet. Jeffy opened one, the little bastard.
Hey, rule number one, never trust parts.
So,
I have to check to make sure it was right first.
as you can see, there's two there. I'm not going single turbo. Who needs that? No, I'm just kidding. I just decided to do twins. It was a tough decision. Thought about it a lot. Decided to go with twins. Went with the big ones. These are from Tomioka Racing, the 19 Ts?
19 Ts.
19 Ts, yeah. Ready for some big power now, baby. Let's get these open. Oh, shit. Manifold gasket. The other one coming that too? Oh, they're both.
No.
They're both in that one.
I believe so.
Yeah. Weighs a little bit. There, you hold that one. So I just tip it over. Oh, it says right on here, she'll make 1,000 horsepower.
That's just probably the balance, yeah.
Just kidding. Although we won't be far off from there. Diesel. Heavy.
Oh, there
No,
we go.
this, yeah.
Yep, screen just.
Come back.
I don't do the filming.
That's alright.
I'm usually the one touching the parts.
Yeah. The other ones are just one piece.
The other ones are welded.
They're welded, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. Yeah,
well,
these
I'll
are...
grab the other one. I'll grab the stock one.
Yeah, there we go. We'll get one of my original ones that came out of it over here. So same design wastegate,
Oh yeah,
but just a lot beefier so that they don't fucking warp so easily.
Yes, a lot of cars still run, or a lot of turbos still run the internal wastegate, or the internal wastegates, which is totally fine. It's just on the N54s, they really don't do well.
So
A little bigger.
yeah, you can see there, a little bit bigger. You know, and there's two of them, so I know it's
And
not
then
a
the
massive single turbo. We got one of those over there.
Well,
We
the
can
hut
put up here
side-
for comparison too, but
The hut side where you see the real.
yeah, I just got a shot of it in there.
compared to the stock one.
There they are.
That was the one thing I noticed is the hut side is huge on these. In comparison.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that compressor wheel. It's like twice the size.
Yes. Yes. You're gonna make some power on these beats.
Yeah.
A few horses. 1 or 2 more.
All right, let's get that other one up there. I want to see them both. Get this old shitty one out of the way.
Yes. Who cares about that one?
Not this guy. I got 2 sets of those. Who would have thought 2 years ago I'd have 3 sets of turbos?
Need more turbos.
Yeah, look at that pretty Tomioka Racing little logo on there. So these babies are good for up to 850 horsepower. Big boys. Well, small, but you know, big numbers. Pretty big numbers. So pretty freaking pumped, to say the least. Been waiting a while to get these babies.
I love the manifold design on this.
So
I love them.
decided to go with something new on the market. Not a lot of people have done these yet. That's part of why I wanted to do it. Just try something different. They actually won some awards at SEMA,
yeah.
which I did not know when I bought them. When I planned on doing these anyway. Actually, they had one when I just ordered these recently, but I planned on doing these for a while. I had already made up my mind. Just had to get the funds together and get them ordered. So, of course, we will be filming an install. Going to be a ton of other, well, not a ton, but quite a few other supporting mods going in along with these right away. And that should get us in the 500 to 600 horsepower range. And then we're going to have to do some other fuel modifications, clutch, and stuff like that to hit our final goal, which I'm not going to say just yet. But it's going to be a little bit of a process to get there. So
we're starting the whole build fresh, essentially.
Yeah. Lots to do, lots of parts to put in. So lots of videos to film. And yeah, that's it, pretty much it for this one. Gonna get some money shots of these for you guys with a good camera and stuff. And we'll see you on the next episode. It's Bimmer time.